Good morning, guys. Tony here. So I've got a great idea, and here's what I'm thinking. You all have so many amazing stories, and the experience you're gonna have going through the total knee replacement rehab process, there are hundreds of thousands, literally hundreds of thousands of people that are having knee replacements coming up over the next few months into the next few years. Imagine for a second if you documented your experience, your personal experience, the frustrations, the challenges, the fears, the successes, the wins, the stuff that you thought, I'm never gonna make it through this, and then you make it through it. If you documented that stuff on a video and wanted to share it with those individuals who have not had their knee replacement yet, I think that would bring massive value to the community. So obviously, most people don't want to do that, but there are some that are willing to share their story, and they understand how their story is going to help others. If you're one of those people, I'm going to ask you to do it in a couple different ways. Either create your own YouTube channel, get the word out there, upload videos daily, hourly, right? It's just whatever you feel comfortable. Just grab your phone, record a little 30-second, 60-second, 5-minute clip, so that other people could see the process of you going from before surgery, through surgery, after surgery, anything you're willing to share. If you don't want to go through the process of creating your own YouTube channel, then just go ahead and upload your videos into the Total Knee Replacement support group. Share it with them. If you want, I'll share your videos. Use my platform. I'm happy to support whatever you guys do, because the more I realize people need that help, they need it probably more than ever before they ever have the procedure. You know, imagine if you knew before the surgery what you know after the surgery, how much more relaxed and at ease you would be. So I just thought it was a cool idea. You know, nobody's making money on it. Nobody's doing anything else for it. I just think if you have the time, the inclination, share your experience, record it, document it so that future people can learn from your experience. I think it'd be incredible. Let me know what you guys think. Post your comments in the YouTube comments so that we can follow along with this. And if any of you decide, even if you've already had your surgery and you're like, hey, this is a great idea, I want to start it right now, and you're 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks post-op, go ahead and do it. Your experiences will absolutely help future individuals. Guys, thanks so much for your support. I'll catch you on the next video.